You've just cut up to the right.
Sorry? It's only one lane, you can't...
You were central, and then you moved to the right without indicating. So I just went straight in, almost went straight into the back of you.
Hold on a second.
Why would I need to pull over?
That way. All of that's just came off that truck thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it glass? Oh shit, it's nails.
Oh, they're not sharp though.
Oh shit.
Jeez. That's why all them cars are going up there.
I didn't see, I thought they were just turning in.
Study that was published by the University of Oxford that adds to the substantial evidence that we have that red and processed meat are linked to bowel cancer. And specifically what this study showed is that
in the road. Just nothing behind me.
Cost another 100 billion.
Yeah, I reckon
100 billion on top of what George Osborne said, and it was only done because Osborne was going to get his down to Birmingham.
I think all these people just ran that red light.
Minutes.
It's Paradise and Tobago, with flights plus 7 nights hotel from London Gatwick from 579 per person. Discover more of the Caribbean with British Airways. Book by November the 20th at ba.com/Tobago.
Nice. Back to the rush hour traffic. Or you could just do what this guy did and just sack it off and just drive around all the traffic. That's an option.
Popular since 1981. Twitter, the latest way I can put it, and it got more onerous. He took on Ben Shapiro.
And that's why you shouldn't do it with a customer in the back as well. 10 out of 10 service there, mate.
Said debate me. You just pulled.
Yeah. You.
Nice one, mate. 75 estate. Yeah. Don't see many Rover 75 estates anymore, or saloons for that matter.
This looks like a burst water main. Yep. The roads come up like a volcano. See, a indicator would be nice. You know how.
Well, it's a rare find, isn't it? A Volkswagen Sarah. Fair enough. A Sarah.
Well, that looked good on YouTube.
Well done. Jeez, you want to get anything from this guy's arse? What is he doing? What is that about? The weight of it.
Well, you can't be a pedestrian 1 minute and then a road user the next.
They have double standards, they can do whatever they like. God, haven't you read the law? They have this wonderful thing called the Highway Code double standard.
That was rejected as well last night. So if the Commons has rejected referendum, second referendum, it's just as dead as Malthouse No Deal.
It's a pretty cool hairstyle.
And the ERG, have they run out of road?